Hey everybody, it's Max Folkers with Remax Pacific here in the heart of San Diego. Welcome as always to our video blog. I hope you are staying safe and sane in this era of coronavirus. I wanted to shoot a quick video with you just talking about some economic resources if you've been impacted financially by the coronavirus. Specifically three things. Number one, if you've got a mortgage, some help there. If you own a small business and have employees. And number three, if you are a renter, if you're a tenant, and some protections there. So let me talk first about the CARES Act. It's a bit of a mouthful, the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act. It's got some provisions in there. If you've got a mortgage, banks are allowing a 3-month deferral of your mortgage payments. So don't pay the mortgage for April, May, June. Now, it's not a grant. It doesn't just disappear. It's tacked to the end of your mortgage. But there'll be no negative repercussions, no penalties, no late fees, no negative reporting to the credit agencies. And what you want to do is you want to go to your servicer, the person, not the person who necessarily originated the loan, but who is servicing it. Let me share my screen with you here. So Bank of America is who I do my mortgages through, and you go through that, and right there, right in the middle, payment deferral program. Now you need to submit a package. You need to fill out some information. You need to provide some hardship information, but start with your servicer and go from there. The second thing I want to talk about, if you are a small business, and they've got all sorts of different classifications of what that means, and you've got employees, they want to help stimulate your business so that you can continue to employ those people. If you start with the SBA.gov, I'm going to share this screen, they will provide some resources there. You can learn more. Or if you do your business banking, let's see, we've got, say, Chase here, they will provide information, and the banks will be the ones who will actually administer these paycheck protection programs. And the neat part about this is a portion of these loans can actually be forgivable if you're continuing to employ people. And the rest of the loans are done at a very, very low interest rate and paid down the road. So something to look into if you are in that situation where you just need a little help getting through these tough times. Last thing I wanted to mention, and this is specifically California, but I expect we'll see some version of it throughout the country, is protections for tenants. So you've been impacted financially, you can't pay. Do you get the boot? Here in California, you are protected through May 31st. There's no evictions. Now, you have to do your part. You can't just stop paying. You've got to let your landlord know within 7 days of when your rent is due in writing of your inability to pay, so that they can plan for that. But you do have that protection. Now, after that time frame right now, you could still be evicted for your inability to pay back now, but for the next couple months at least you've got a break there. Give everybody a little time to pause and take stock of what's happening. That's about it. Wanted to provide those resources. If you've got any questions, need any help locating these, certainly reach back out to us. We're glad to help. We're here for that. And again, stay safe, be good to each other, and look forward to talking to you each soon. Take care. Bye-bye.